Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create video in Google Flow. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First, navigate to official creative platform, so labs.google. You will get here to the Google Flow. Now the second thing what you are going to do is click on create with Flow. Alright, now let's create a new project. So click on that. Alright. And just like that, we are now in the project right here. Now what we need to do next? What we need to do next is here at the bottom where you see this prompt, click here on Nano Banana and toggle from photo to video. Now here we can select the aspect ratio. So we have landscape mode for widescreen videos like YouTube, or 9:16 is portrait for social content. So let's say we will create for Instagram or TikTok. Then we have also here the AI model selection. So let's select Veo. We just have this one. So yeah. Okay. Now the third step is basically we need to put some text to it. So we need to write something into it. So let's say cinematic. I will just paste in, for example, cinematic close-up of an astronaut walking through a neon light cyberpunk market, rainy night, volumetric smoke. And yeah, now let's see what happens. It will take a few moments to that AI creates these videos. Now let's wait a little bit. Now, as you can see, it's finished right over here. So we have interesting videos. Now, what we also need to know that we can have consistent characters. So what you're going to do, you can upload basically import an image of your character right here at the top, right? Where you see this plus icon, and then like this will know every time which character he needs to use in videos or new images that you create. Now, what we can also do here is we can uh, we can now download it. Download it right here. If you go to our video and then here you will see this like, then reverse, and then these three vertical dots, and here you will see download and also in which quality. So yeah, we have 4K, the highest one. Then what we can also do is we can add to our video, if we creating the longer video. Also what we can do is, as you can see here, sorry, if you click on it, you can now remove something. If you press on the camera right over here, we can change the view basically, but you will need also add here. Then what we can also do, we can make it longer. We can make longer video, or we can also remove something out of the video, as you can see. And then when you are ready with it, what you can do is just here at the top right corner, uh, press on finish, and that's pretty much it. And then also here at the top you can download it directly into your computer or your device which are using, and then you can basically publish on your profile on social media. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the